In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress a PDF in DocHub. We'll walk through the full process from opening the website all the way to downloading a compressed version of your PDF. This is useful when you need a smaller file size for email attachments, online uploads, or simply to save storage space while keeping your document easy to share. To get started, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct DocHub link to go to the official website. Make sure you're selecting the real DocHub page so you can access the proper tools and features without any confusion. When the site opens, sign into your account. If you're already logged in, you may be taken straight to the dashboard. If not, complete the sign-in process and wait for the main workspace to load. This is where you'll be able to access your files and work with your PDFs. From the dashboard, open the PDF you want to compress. Depending on how your files are organized, you may need to locate the document in your recent files or cloud storage connection. Once the file opens in the editor, give it a moment to fully load so all tools and pages are available. Before compressing the file, make any necessary edits or alterations to the document. You can update text, adjust images, or fill in forms using the standard toolbar. This is a good time to finalize everything because compressing is usually one of the last steps before downloading and sharing the file. Taking care of edits first helps you avoid repeating the export process later. Once your document is ready, look to the upper right corner of the toolbar and click the download or export icon. This is the icon that looks like an arrow pointing down into a tray. Clicking it will open the export and download options for your document. In the download settings, find the option labeled Compress File and toggle it on. Keep in mind that this is a premium feature, so you'll need a plan that supports compression in order to use it. If that option is available and enabled on your account, turn it on and then click Download. DocHub will then prepare your PDF and download a compressed version to your device. After it saves, it's a good idea to quickly check the file size and open the PDF to make sure everything looks the way you expect. That's how to compress a PDF in DocHub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.